Bloody Mike.
Wait, he didn't kill it.
Mind your business, nature edition. Yo, dog. We are approaching a brown close spider. Emergency. You gotta throw that magazine on it.
My crikey, mate. That's a big one. That's a big fella there. Oh my god, it is shiny. It is a shiny motherfucker.
Your mama wake up, but yeah, we gotta do that. We gotta mark this. We have to throw 2 at it. Yeah, we gotta have to mark this one.
No, you gotta go hard.
Did I get it? That was a huge spider.
Yo.
Did I get it? I did. Wait. That was a spider I had killed. Did I kill it? Look how wet that shit is on the floor. Where'd it go? Bloody mate, watch out!
As we unfold the magazine to see if we killed the specimen. Is it really dead? Oh shit, that shit's sticking.
Is it under?
That shit's sticking to the magazine.
Is it under, mate? Where's it going?
Please tell me that shit's under there. Oh.
Got it, bitch.
Bizzy Crook. Oh, it's still alive. Yo, kill it again. Billy Crook, Nature Edition. The blue recluse spider is now demolished.
These spiders are no challenge for me and my kilometers. Bitch.